What's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, staying corona-free. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I'm coming to you from the empty greenhouse because I just wanted to be me and you. Me and you. Okay, you guys, you know I told you I had some amazing, exciting news. Oh my God, I can finally share it with you guys. I've been getting phone calls left and right. Yes, you guys. The other day, I was sitting at home minding my own little skinny boy business. Just got through making a video for you guys. And I kept getting an email from this production company in California, and they want to use, well, they've used it, you guys. I signed a deal just for a little clip of my videos, you guys, from SkinnyBoyRandy Gardening. Oh my God, a national TV commercial. Oh my God, you guys, you never know who's watching and who you're helping. Oh my goodness, you guys, I couldn't believe it. They just wanted a little clip, and they wanted to compensate me very nicely, I might add. Okay. Just want you guys to know. Yes, keep a lookout. Leave a comment when you see it, you guys. I'm just starting to find out. I have not seen it myself. I've heard the clip, but I couldn't tell anybody about it. But yes, you guys, SkinnyBoyRandy booked a little deal. You know, you never know who's watching. My little channel, I just started over a year ago doing YouTube. And when you do what you love and you love what you do, you never know. Somebody will recognize you. And what God has for you is for you. You guys look out for the SkinnyBoyRandy commercial on YouTube. Oh my God. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow, stop, and eat it. Okay.